Thank you. So I figured out that by now we probably kind of, at least the core here, know each other. But the question is, do we know ourselves? So I did this exercise with a group of about 30 people. This is going to be a little more challenging in this big of a crowd. But everybody on your table, you should have 2 sheets of paper. One is a smaller one with you don't have it? So I have some extras here. And also if you don't have a writing tool, there are some pencils here, so you can grab one. And next time, please RSVP. We have more people than RSVP, so I just prepared according to the numbers that I know. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ask you questions to kind of help you figure out what's your personality type. And it's really fun. So, if you can answer, think about the first thing that comes to mind. Don't analyze too much, and that will bring you to your core. So, I'll give you an example. The part 1 is going to be, you're going to give each question 10 points that you will divide between the 4 options. The one option that matches your personality the most, you give it 6. The one that completely doesn't match, you give 0. And then the 1 and the 3, you give to the ones that match, less or more. So the way I did it is the one that just pops, immediately I gave 6, and the one that I completely don't identify with, I gave 0, and then, So the first question is, when working with another on a project, I like this person too. 1. Express ideas directly and discuss all possibilities. 2. Be pleasant, sensitive, and establish a good working relationship. 3. Be systematic, logical, and outline steps of the task. And 4. Be result-oriented with practical solutions.
Read them again.
Again? Yes. What I will do is I will read everything once. I'll read this one twice just because it's the first one. But then, what do you need? I have just a small one. Maybe I have. You need one more? Gabriel, you need one more? So I can give you my copy. Yeah. Okay, so what I suggest is what we did in a smaller group is that if you are the only one that don't have enough time, or maybe you need to think more about this particular question, just make a star next to it, and when we finish, I will repeat the ones that need repeating, okay? So I'll repeat the first one, and then we'll go try to do it a little faster. So again, the first question is, when working with another on a project, I like that person too. 1. Express ideas directly and discuss all possibilities. 2. Be pleasant, sensitive, and establish good working relationship. 3. Be systematic, logical, and outline steps of the task. And 4. Be result-oriented approach with a practical solution. So make a star next to it. I'll do it just for you at the end. Question number 2. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, in dealing with others face to face, I want others to see me as. And now it's not 1, but it's 5. Okay?
5, okay.
So, 5, reserved and serious. 6, assertive, quick, and bright. 7, an individual, intelligent, and smart. And 8, energetic, attentive, and responsive. I'll repeat it again.
Just the answers.
Just the answers.
Yeah, just the answers.
Okay, in dealing with others face to face, I want others to see me as. Number 5, reserved and serious. Number 6, assertive, quick, and bright. Number 7, an individual, intelligent, and smart. And number 8, energetic, attentive, and responsive. Question number 3. Are you ready? Yes. When meeting for the first time. Number 9. Are you cordial? Do you take time to get to know the person? 10. Do you put aside status and job status? Yeah, it's a typo. So 10. I thought that I don't know this word. It's my okay. So 10. Do you put aside status and job title and just let things happen? 11. Do you get down to business and tell them your expectations? And 12. You would like goals to be discussed and avoid small talk. So again, 9. Are you cordial? Do you take time to get to know the person? 10. Do you put aside status and job title and just let things happen? 11. Do you get down to business and tell them your expectations? And 12. Would like goals to be discussed and avoid small talk? Question number 4. When I decide to take action, I like to know that. 13. I will have the desired impact and fast results. Again, I will have the desired impact and fast results. 14. I'm logical and in tune with the facts. 15. Those involved understand and agree as much as possible. And 16. I'm creative and innovative. And I apologize for my accent. I'll repeat it again. 13. I will have the desired impact and fast results. 14. I'm logical and in tune with the facts. 15. Those involved understand and agree as much as possible. And 16. I'm creative and innovative. Question number 5. In a group, I like others to see me as. In a group, I like others to see me as. 17. Decisive, effective, and goal-oriented. Number 18. Creative, quick, and stimulating. Number 19. Involved, agreeable, and supportive. And number 20. Orderly, accurate, and detailed. So I repeat, in a group, I like others to see me as. 17, decisive, effective, and goal-oriented. Number 18 is creative, quick, and stimulating. I don't know, maybe it's a typo again. Stimulating. 19, involved, agreeable, and supportive. And 20, orderly, accurate, and detailed. Okay? Question number 6. the one character that turns you off the most about the one that you directly report to, your boss, if you have one, is that he or she is 21, pushy, autocratic and demanding. 22, cold and impersonal. 23, overly cautious and indecisive. And 24, sloppy, has an unstructured approach and is passive. I repeat, 21, what you don't like about your boss the most is 21, pushy, autocratic, demanding. 22, cold and impersonal. 23, overly cautious and indecisive. And 24, sloppy, has an unstructured approach and is passive. Question number 7. Probably at this point, you're happy that you don't have a boss, but we always report to someone. Question number 7. You like to impress others by being. You like to impress others by being. 25, easy, outgoing, spontaneous, and informal. 26, creative, expressive, and intellectual. 27, competitive, decisive, and pragmatic. And 28, systematic with a controlled delivery. And I repeat the answers. 25, easy, outgoing. The question is, you like to impress others by being. 25, easy, outgoing, spontaneous, and informal. 26, creative, expressive, and intellectual. 27, competitive, decisive, and pragmatic. And 28, systematic with a controlled delivery. And question number 8, in terms of use of your time. 29, do you like dealing with the immediate? Do you like dealing with the immediate, with what needs to be done now? Number 30, are you concerned about the future? 31, do you base on past experience? 32, do you give precedence to current facts? So I repeat, 29, in terms of use of your time. 29, do you like dealing with the immediate? Number 30, are you concerned about the future? Number 31, do you base on past experience? And number 32, do you give precedence to current facts? We're almost halfway done. Part 2. This part I think is a little bit easier. What you actually need to do is, for each question, you have 2 options. And in answering the following question, we must distribute 5 points any way we choose. We can do 5 and 0, 4 and 1, 2.5 and 2.5, whichever you like. Okay? So, for example, number 9 is 33 is physically active, get things done person. And 34 is mentally active, ideal person. If you think that you are actually both equally, then you give each one 2.5 points, because it needs to amount 5. If you think that you're more physically active, get things done, than mentally active, then you give 3 and 2, 4 and 1, or 5 and 0. Okay? So I repeat. Question number 9. 33, physically active, get things done person. 34, mentally active, ideal person. Question number 10. Are you systematic and orderly? 30, that's 35. And 36 is social and friendly. Question number 11. 37. Methodical and orderly. 38. Task-oriented, decisive. I repeat, 37 is methodical and orderly, and 38, task-oriented, decisive. Question number 12. 39, informal and friendly. 40, broad-minded and imaginative. I repeat, 39 is informal and friendly. 40 is broad-minded and imaginative. Which one is better describing your personality? Question number 13, 41. Hard driving and aggressive. 42, gentle, considerate, and caring. I repeat, 41 is hard driving and aggressive, and 42 is gentle, considerate, and caring. Question number 14. 43, cautious and particular. 44 is independent and philosophical. I repeat, 43 is cautious and particular, 44 is independent and philosophical. Question number 15. The best way to make a presentation is to 45. Present facts objectively, orderly, and systematic. 46. Be personable and directly relate to the people. I repeat the question number 15. The best way to make presentation is to 45. Present facts objectively, orderly, and systematic. And 46. Be personable and directly relate to the people. And the last question. When you want to get your point across to somebody, you, 47. Quickly explain what you want. 48. Enthusiastic and innovative. Again, when you want to get your point across to somebody, you. 47, quickly explain what you want. 48, you're enthusiastic and innovative. If you need any particular question to be repeated, please raise your hand. Yes. 9. Which one? 11. Is 35 is, are you systematic and orderly? Or 36, social and friendly? Oh, sorry. 11. 37, methodical and orderly. And 38, task-oriented, decisive. Number 1. Okay. When working with another on a project, I like that person to 1. Express idea directly and discuss all possibilities. Number 2. Be pleasant, sensitive, and establish a good working relationship. Number 3. Be systematic, logical, and outline steps of the task. And number 4. Be result-oriented approach with a practical solution. Number 6, the one character that turns you off the most about the one that you directly report to is that he or she is, number 21, pushy, autocratic, demanding. 22, cold and impersonal. 23, overly cautious and indecisive. And number 24, sloppy, has an unstructured approach and is